Okay, graphics. We are going to start the individual assignment for your cartoon project. And the way to do this is to open up a blank page. As you did before, you drew your drawings on paper. You took a picture of it using your photo booth. So we're going to go ahead and locate that wherever you put it, probably in your pictures folder or icon or your documents, wherever you put your photos that you took. I'm going to go File, Place. And that's where you can go look for your photos. I placed mine on the desktop just a minute ago. I'm going to give you just an example. And you want to make this as big as you can by holding Shift and dragging the corners. Obviously, this isn't hand drawn. Demo, I'm taking this off the internet. But I want you to see drawing as kind of completed, but then you need to start thinking about it as dissecting the shapes. As I zoom in, Command plus, we can tell there's a shape on the ear. There's another one over here. The circle for the head, eyeballs, trunk. Oop, we got somebody email me. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, take this. If you notice there's a big X in the photo, I want to go ahead and go File, or sorry, excuse me. I'm going to click on the drawing. We're going to lock. Object lock. If you notice, I had to do some different things. I had some things selected, but I clicked off, and this is a habit you need to get into. Click off the object, back on it, object lock selection. You notice shortcut is Command 2 if you can remember it. I don't use this very often, so it's hard for me to remember Command 2. We're going to use the pen tool. Okay. I'm also going to go ahead and get my colors selected. You colored yours in, so you can pick your colors. You can always also edit the colors later, but I'm going to go ahead and make a folder, and we'll call him Eli, the elephant. So now I'm going to go ahead and eyedropper the gray, dark gray, and right here is another color on the tusk. I believe that's about it. Maybe right here. They might be the same color, I'm not too sure just a moment. Okay, if you notice I hover, it's 63, 51, 42, 14. 63, 51. So there is this one, and this one are the same. Okay, I need to go ahead and unlock it again. Here's why. I want to go ahead and unlock. I want to change, I'm going to click on the opacity of this guy about 60%. Object, lock, selection. I found my colors. I can delete that one because I know it's right there. Now I want to get to my pen tool and start drawing. Just like you did with the snowman, do not stop drawing until you've closed it up. Okay, I'm just going to go here. And the less points that you have, the smoother this will be. I'm going to have 3 points on this one. And draw. Do it fairly close. Now how to edit this, I'm going to hit A. Click on my point. Now I can hold Option. Oops, I missed it. Hold Option, grab that point, go down like so. Same here. And we're going to pull that in. I missed it. like so. Now obviously that's the wrong color, so I need to rotate it or pick this. It's going to be, I believe it's this lighter gray. Or that one. I think it's a lighter gray. Okay. The exterior is going to be black. That's what they had. So I'm going to hit black for the outline and make it 2 or 3 points, like so. And we have an ear. Now it does need to be edited still. So I'm going to take this. Again, hold Option if you want those to change. Again, this is just all about fine-tuning. If you notice there's a point here, I'm going to click on it again, make it smooth. The cool thing about this is if I do one, I get it the way I want it. For example, I like this. Does it have to be perfect? No. If I change the opacity on this one too, I can kind of see where I'm at. Hit A. I kind of want to take this, move it up a smidge, take this point in, and kind of tweak these a little bit. Like so. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put the opacity back to 100. Again, if there's 2 of something, just do it once. I'm going to go ahead and reflect this. I click on what I want with my tool, my move tool, and reflect. Reflect is underneath the rotate, so I click and hold reflect. If you notice, there's the pivot point, that little cyan crosshairs. I'm going to pick right in the middle of the page. Hold Option, click. What happens is it reflects on the other side. I'm going to hit copy. If I didn't hit copy, it would just move it. Now I'm going to move this where I want it. I might have been off a little bit. And we have a reflected image. Okay, from here, I'm going to draw the circle for the face. Under your ellipse tool. If I go from the center, which I know this is right around center, I'm going to click my ellipse tool. My shift tool makes a complete circle, and the option button makes it from the center. I'm going to go kind of about where I want it. Move it down. And then from here, I'm going to tweak it. I know there's 4 points. I know I need to move this one up. And I want to pull these handlebars until they match. There's one there. No reason to recreate the wheel if you don't have to. And I kind of like that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this back to 100. Now I'm going to unlock just so you can see it. Unlock all and hit delete. So here's the beginning stages of my elephant. Knock those in so the stroke's hidden, like so. Now I'd continue this all the way until I got everything that I wanted. I'm going to go ahead and undo until my picture shows back up. I'm going to send it all to the front and make it 100%. Got 15 seconds. So as you can see, there's my drawing. I would go through and continue until I got every shape. Even the dark shadows are new shapes. Okay. The only thing I need to show you is the pseudo stroke, which I'm going to do it real quick. I got 10 seconds. Highlight everything. It's right here. Okay. There's your pseudo stroke.